Whether you manage your studies, your business finances, or office data, Google Sheets is one of the most powerful free tools available. In this video, I will explain the complete toolbar in the simplest way possible. First, I click on blank sheet and a new spreadsheet opens. Now I double-click on a cell and just type it. At the top, you can see a horizontal toolbar with many icons. Let us understand them one by one. The first icon is undo. If you click undo, your last action will be reversed. Next to it is redo. If you click redo, the action comes back. After that, we have the print icon. When I click it, a print preview window opens. From here, you can print your sheet or save it as a PDF file on your computer. I click cancel to go back. Next is the paint format tool. This tool copies formatting from one cell and applies it to another cell. For example, if a cell has bold text and a color, you can copy that formatting and apply it somewhere else. After that is the zoom option. When I click it, a drop-down appears with zoom levels from 50% to 200%. I select 200% and the sheet becomes larger. Zoom only changes how big the sheet looks on your screen. It does not change the actual data. Next is format as currency. When you click this, the selected number is converted into currency format. For example, if you type 100, it may show as $100 depending on your region settings. Next is format as percentage. If you type 50 and click this option, it becomes 50%. After that, we have increased decimal and decreased decimal. These options control how many decimal numbers are shown after a value. For example, 10.00 or 10.000. Next is more formats. When you click it, a drop-down menu appears with additional formats like date, time, scientific format, and more. You can choose any format depending on your data type. Next is the font style drop-down. By default, it shows a font name. When you click it, many font styles appear. You can select any font, but I keep it as default. After that is text size. You can click the plus button to increase the size or minus to decrease it. The default size is 10, and I keep it at 10. Next is bold. When I click it, my text becomes bold, then italic. When clicked, the text becomes slanted. Next is strike through. This adds a line through your text. After that is text color. When you click it, a color palette appears. You can choose any color to change the text color. Next is fill color. This changes the background color of the selected cell. When I choose a color, the cell background changes. Now we have the borders option. This allows you to add borders around a cell or multiple cells. You can add all borders, outside borders, inside borders, or customize them. Borders help organize and visually separate your data. Next is horizontal align. There are three options: left, center, and right. This controls where the text sits horizontally inside the cell. After that is vertical align. There are three options: top, middle, and bottom. This controls where the text appears vertically inside the cell. Next is text wrapping. There are three options: overflow. Text spills into the next empty cell. Wrap. Text moves to the next line inside the same cell. Flip. Extra text is hidden if the cell is too small. Then we have text rotation. When clicked, many rotation options appear. You can rotate text at different angles, make it vertical, or tilt it for better design and presentation. Next is insert link. When I click it, a small input box appears. I paste my YouTube channel link and click apply. Now, if someone clicks this text, they will be redirected to my channel. You can also edit, copy, or remove the link. Next is insert comment. When clicked, a comment box opens. You can type a comment for collaboration. Comments can be edited or deleted anytime. After that is insert chart. When I click it, a blank chart appears. Charts are used to visually represent data like sales, percentages, or comparisons. You can customize the chart type, labels, and data from the chart editor. I delete it for now. Finally, we have the functions icon. When clicked, a drop-down list appears with many built-in formulas like sum, average, count, max, and min. These formulas help you perform automatic calculations in your sheet. And that is the complete overview of the Google Sheets toolbar for beginners. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to Just Type It for more step-by-step tech tutorials.